Good morning, students. So I will be explaining you the other determinants today. Okay, I have already explained articles in my other first video, right? Now I will be explaining you the other determinants. Okay. So let us start with the determiner many and much. Many and much. Okay. What is the literal meaning of many? Many means in a good quantity. In a good quantity. In our own language, many, what does many mean? Bahut. Obviously, bahut means in a very good quantity. Much has also got the same meaning, in a good quantity. That means bahut. Same meaning. But where we will use many and where we will use much, that is the thing we need to understand. Okay? Many will be always used before. I'll try to explain it in the diagrammatically. Suppose many I am writing over here, and I have already explained the meaning in a very good quantity. I will make a diagram. Try to understand it. मैं diagram बना के आपको समझाता हूँ. Many always will be used with countables. For example, अगर मुझे बताना है कि कोई चीज बहुत ज्यादा है, बहुत है, तो बहुत चीजें अनकाउंटेबल में भी होती हैं और बहुत चीजें काउंटेबल भी होती हैं. जैसे बहुत पानी, राइट? तो वी कैन नेवर से मेनी वाटर बिकॉज वाटर इज अनकाउंटेबल. ठीक है. फिर मैं बोलूंगा बहुत लड़के, कह सकता हूँ. व्हाई? बिकॉज बॉयज आर काउंटेबल. So we will always use these many determinants with the countables, and that countable should be plural. That means first criteria is many is used with the countables, and second criteria that countable should be always in plural. Example, I will write many books. It can never be many book. It will never be many book because the criteria is already mentioned over here. That countable noun should be plural in number. So many books. Many boys. Now coming to the much. Coming to much. So much will be always be used with uncountables. So I have to say बहुत पानी. Then I will write much water. I will say बहुत हवा. So I will never say many air. What I will say? What I will say? Much air. And what about singular or plural? Countable का singular और plural नहीं होता. Right? That means much will be always used with the uncountables. Okay? And many will be always used with the countables, and that countable should be plural. Note it down. One very confusing thing I would like to tell you. What do you think? Money is countable or uncountable? What about time? Time is countable or uncountable? Money is actually uncountable. So we always say much money. We can only count rupees and coins. So we will write many rupees or many coins. But if I will say just money, then money is uncountable. So we always say much money. We never say many money. We always say much money. Okay? Coins and rupees are countable, so we say many rupees and many coins. What about time? Time is countable or uncountable? Again the same thing. Time is uncountable. So we say much time. क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? I don't have much time. But hours, seconds and minutes are countables. So we use many with those, like many hours and many seconds and many minutes. I have just given this example because people are mostly confused in terms of money and time. तो क्या सीखा हमने कि much हम यूज करते हैं uncountable के साथ और many यूज करते हैं countable, और वो countable कैसा होना चाहिए बाबू? Plural होना चाहिए. ओके? मीनिंग दोनों का सेम है, many और much का दोनों का मीनिंग बहुत है. फर्क इतना है कि ये countable और plural के साथ यूज होता है और ये uncountables के साथ यूज होता है. You note it down and everything is very clear. Okay, thank you. Now moving further, I will explain you another one. We have another determinants, few and little. What is the literal meaning of few and little? First of all, we need to understand the meaning. Few means in a small quantity. In a small quantity. In Hindi, एक ही word, there is one word, thoda. In Hindi, thoda. That means, thoda means थोड़ी quantity. Little has also the same meaning in a small quantity. That means thoda, not zyada, thoda. Both has got the same meaning and different usage. Few will always used with the countable nouns, with countables. And those countables should be plural. This is the diagram. Try to understand. Few will be used with countables and those countables should be plural. Example, I have to say थोड़ी किताबें. So what I will say? Few book. Right? So book is countable also and we have written it is plural as well. Okay? I will say few boys, थोड़े लड़के. Few boys. The boys is also countable and that countable should be plural. So few boys. Okay? Little. Little means little will always use with uncountables. तो few को हम यूज करेंगे काउंटेबल्स के साथ और little को यूज करेंगे अनकाउंटेबल्स के साथ. Like I will say थोड़े पैसे. So little money. थोड़ा पानी. So I will say little water. थोड़ी हवा. Little air. थोड़ा वक्त. Little time. Here are other examples we have. Few coins. Few rupees. Few hours. And few minutes, etc. It is very clear. Few will be used with countables and plural. However, little will be used with uncountables. Got the point? Okay. Note it down. Okay. Now I will be moving on to the another determinants. The other determinants is each and every. Okay, what do you mean by each? And what do you mean by every? We need to understand it. First of all, what is each and every? They are almost same. Suppose I tell you that each of you have to come tomorrow. And everybody of you have to come tomorrow. Message has got the same here. But there is a difference between each and every. जब मैंने बोला each और फिर मैंने बोला every. If I say each of you have to come tomorrow and I say everybody of you has to come tomorrow, तो क्या difference है इन दोनों में? Which is more serious? Each is more serious or every is more serious? There is one basic difference. Each emphasizes on every individual of a group. ग्रुप के हर एक इंडिविजुअल पर ये एम्फेसाइज करता है, यानी कि जोर डालता है कि तुम में से हर एक को आना है। लेकिन जब एवरी की बात करते हैं तो एवरी एम्फेसाइज करता है, एम्फेसाइजेस ऑन द एंटायर ग्रुप। इसमें हम क्या बोलते हैं कि तुम सब को आना है। इसमें जब मैं बोल रहा हूं तो क्या बोल रहा हूं कि तुम में से हर एक को आना है, हर एक पे बराबर जोर पड़ा। और जब इसमें बोल रहा हूं, एवरी बोल रहा हूं, तो क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं, सारे को आना है। तो ये ग्रुप पर जोर डालता है और ये किस पर जोर डालता है, ग्रुप के हर एक मेंबर पर बराबर जोर डालता है। दिस इज द ओनली बेसिक डिफरेंस। नाउ कमिंग टू द यूसेज इन आवर ओन लैंग्वेज, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय ईच एंड एवरी। तो ईच का मतलब तुम समझ लो अपनी भाषा में हर एक, और एवरी का मतलब समझ लो सभी। कल सभी को आना है, एवरीबॉडी हैज टू कम टुमारो। कल हर एक को आना है, जब बोलना होगा तो क्या बोलूंगा, ईच ऑफ यू हैज टू कम टुमारो। दिस इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस। बट नाउ कमिंग टू द यूसेज, राइट, व्हाट इज द बेसिक हाउ वी यूज इट। ओके, ईच विल बी ऑलवेज यूज्ड विद काउंटेबल नाउन्स, and that countable should be singular. Try to understand. जिस नाउन के साथ आप यूज करोगे वो नाउन पहला क्या क्वालिटी होना चाहिए, वो नाउन होना चाहिए काउंटेबल, और दूसरी क्वालिटी क्या होनी चाहिए कि वो नाउन क्या होना चाहिए, नंबर में सिंगुलर होना चाहिए। एग्जाम्पल, आई से ईच वाटर, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा। Why? Because water is not countable, water is uncountable. This is wrong. Right? I can say, if I say each books, तो ये भी गलत हो जाएगा क्योंकि बुक काउंटेबल तो है, लेकिन ये कह रहा है कि हमको सिंगुलर के साथ यूज करता है, और बुक्स यहाँ पे प्लूरल है। यहाँ पे अपनी क्राइटेरिया को मेंशन कर दिया है कि जिस चीज के साथ आप उसको यूज करो वो काउंटेबल तो हो, साथ साथ वो सिंगुलर हो। तो आई कैन राइट ईच बुक, दिस इज राइट। Okay, so it will be used with countable, and that countable should be singular. Same goes with every also. Every is also always used with the countables, and that countable should be singular, right? That countable should be singular. Same in here, there is the similarity. Each is also used with countable and singular. Every is also used with countables and singular. Got the point? Okay, example, I will say every book, every boy. Okay, so only one difference is there. सिर्फ एक डिफरेंस है दोनों में। ये एम्फेसाइज करता है ग्रुप के हर एक मेंबर पे, जबकि ये एम्फेसाइज करता है पूरे ग्रुप पर। हिंदी में मीनिंग आप समझ लो, ईच जब बोलते हैं तो मतलब होता है हर एक, और जब हम एवरी बोलते हैं तो मतलब होता है सभी, सारा। और बाकी दो सिमिलैरिटी है, ये भी काउंटेबल और सिंगुलर के साथ, और ये भी काउंटेबल और सिंगुलर के साथ यूज होता है। आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर। ओके, इन माय फर्दर वीडियोस आई विल बी एक्सप्लेनिंग यू द अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द डिटरमिनर्स। थैंक यू।